Welcome to my new video. Yeah, this is a table fan. This table fan is having a charging port issue. This table fan, according to the owner, he said it don't even reach some weeks where she buy it, but now it's having charging port issue. Yes, so I want to see how I could take sort it out, or make how to use another alternative to make sure say this charging port lasts. I'm trying to lose it. Yes, I'm losing it. So engineer, please watch the video carefully. You will see how we convert this charging port to USB port. That one will make the charging issue last. If this is the first time that you come across my video, please do wait to subscribe to my video and like, and also follow me. I have lose it. This is where the charging port is. This panel is too small to carry the charging port for long. So watch very well. You will see how I'm going to convert it to USB cord direct. That will make the charging issue last. That is to make the standing fan charging issue. That's standing fan charging solution. This is what I want to do now. So please watch it carefully. This particular two small wire that I kept here is what I'm going to use. Just watch. Before you start this kind of work, make sure you unplug it. To unplug this charging wire from the socket. Join the first one for the positive side, and carry the other one join for the negative side, red and black. Just try that. That's what I'm doing now. Just watch the video carefully and you will learn how to work this table fan. This method can work for table fan, hand fan, any kind of fan, small fan that is using USB charger. That's what I'm doing now. So watch carefully. I join the two wire. Yes, I join the two wire out. See what I will do now. Yes, please watch it carefully. Yes, I supposed to use my multimeter to confirm it, but I already know the direction. Yes, just cut two wire, join one for the red, join one for the black. And after I finish this, I clip it that I want to use for it. I cut the USB cord and I remove the black and the red and the black inside. Yes, I want to test it first to confirm whether it's working or not. Make sure you confirm the USB cord whether it's working or not. I use black to black, red to red. Yes, it's working. As you can see, there's a red light there, charging red light there. There's light there. Yeah, there's light there. That means it's working. Yes, it's charging. Confirm it very well. Confirm it very well. Make sure it's working. After now, I've already confirmed it. So what I'm going to do, I want to arrange it the way that when the customer see it, you say yes, I like it like this, or I like it this way. When you use the USB cord to do this type of work, anytime when the owner pass your shop side, they will see branch and greet you, because this is total solution. You can use this for more than a year without any issue. Yes, I join it. When you finish something, I make sure you tape it. Use black tape and tape it so that the two of them will not join or touch together. You know when something like that touch together, you know what it means. That means the fan has gone. Tape it very well. Anytime you join naked two wires, right, make sure so you use your black tape and tape it. Don't leave it like this. Yes, I've taped it. After I taping the stuff, I will make sure say I tie the wire inside. As you can see, tie the wire inside so that when they drag it, the thing would not easily cut. Do the same. Attach it. Now I'm trying to position it so that the thing is going to, so that the thing can balance. Yes, trying to fix it now. Now, as you can see, engineer, watch it very carefully. Please do wait to subscribe to my channel for more video like this. This is Phase 1 Phone Center, so please watch the video carefully. You see how I arrange it, very clean. Yes, and I tied the wire inside the USB cord inside, so that if somebody drag it, will not easily cut. Yes, watch and see. Watch it. You see how the thing is. Make sure so you tie the wire very well because of this USB cord. That side cannot too close like that, but make sure so you tight it. Yes, as you can see, it's all done. I want to test it now. Test it now. As you can see the charging light, red light there means it's charging, and the fan is have started working. Yes, see it, it's working very okay. This is a perfect work. Yes, it's perfect work, very okay. If you follow this tutorial, there's no other, someone will bring hand fan to your shop, say okay, I want you to help me to repair this, and you will not do it. Even you can do this at home. Yes, after that I will see tight the USB cord outside to make the works dey stronger. Yes, so that if somebody drag it from inside outside, the thing will not easily cut. This is a perfect work.